Hey, what's up, Saitama coin holder? My brother, in this video, I will give you guarantee to if you watch this video before take any decision, I will give you guarantee you will never lose. So, kindly you need to subscribe this channel, click the red button, subscribe channel, and press bell icon for videos notification. I hope you will never lose, my brothers, if you follow this channel. The price is very cheap. Saitama coin is completely on the trending, but in last, my friends, 3 days the coin will very badly falls down and completely losing -14.2%. The price is decreased now 0. I think 245601389 USD dollar is the latest price. But my brother, Saitama coin market cap, volume, and circulating supply and total supply is on the screen. So you can see, my brother, the range, 24-hour range. As you can see, my friend, the lowest point is here now. So let's see, my brother, the lowest point. So lowest point is here, 0.601157, and the highest you can see here, 0.66601618 USD dollars. So that's mean, my brothers, to the price is absolutely, my friend, comfortable this time, and they cannot fail us down, they cannot moving upward, but it's a very good, my brother, for all of you. Now let's see, my brothers, to what's the charts of last 24 hours. Can this coin will give you a profit in upcoming time or not? My brother, this chart is completely clearly show you, my brothers, so this coin is in the trending and they will give you a profit, but you need, my brothers, to hold and wait for a good time. The price will be increasing if you hold, so please don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, in upcoming time the coin price will very fastly increasing now, and they will make you a millionaire. Now they will give you a very good profit. So please, my brothers, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. If you just only hold in those days, so I hope, my brother, at the mid of month they will make you a millionaire now, and they will give you a very good profit. So please don't miss this chance. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.